am Rahul. I am from Sector 32D, Chandigarh. I have been suffering from OSA, obstructive sleep apnea, for the last maybe more than 4 or 5 years. So it was very uncomfortable. I was not able to, sleep properly. I used to get up in the nights, and I never used to feel fresh in the morning. So I was using a CPAP machine as a temporary solution to my sleep apnea. Recently I came across some advertisement where I saw that Healing Hospital, they have a permanent solution to this problem. I was very keen to come and consult the doctor and get an opinion regarding the latest machine or latest solution to this problem. I came here, I met Dr. Lovkesh Mittal, and to be very frank, I was given a very comfort level was increased pre-surgery as well as post-surgery. When doctor met me, he saw me very patiently. He tried to listen to my problem, and step by step he investigated what exactly is the problem. There was no rush. So first of all, I got a sleep study done in which the results were not very good, and when the doctor saw that, then he suggested me nasal endoscopy, which was the next step to see what obstructions are. After the nasal endoscopy, it was clear that surgery is must for this problem. So I was suggested surgery for sleep apnea. I took 1 week to make up my mind, and then finally I came to the doctor and I said, yes, I want to get this surgery done. He was very kind enough to give me a date, and I was operated by him 8 o'clock in the morning. The whole team was so supportive. It never looked that I was uncomfortable. From point one blank, it was like I am in safe hands. So Dr. Lovkesh Mittal, he himself did the surgery, and whatever was appropriate. After the surgery, I was given even more care by him as well as his team, and it did not even seem that I had a surgery, because the 2-3 weeks which I spent after the surgery went really well. I contacted doctor at odd times, even on holidays, and I got prompt response, prompt support, and today I am very happy. I have almost recovered. I had to fly abroad. He has given me clearance to fly, no problem. I resumed my work, so the life is back to normal. So personally, I am very happy and satisfied with Dr. Lovkesh Mittal and his treatment. I would really suggest, if someone has a similar problem, so you should come and consult once and get a feel of what doctor investigates, and if actually the problem is severe, so you need to think about a permanent solution, because this problem is very dangerous. You will never come to know what can happen during sleep. So my personal view is that if you are aware of this problem, you should try to go for a permanent solution as soon as possible. I would like to thank Dr. Lovkesh Mittal and his team for extensive support and cooperation they have extended, and I think Healing Hospital, Sector 34, Chandigarh is the best place where you can get this surgery done and get a solution to your problem. Thank you so much.